In 1927, the United States Supreme Court issued a ruling. They declared that 3 generations of imbeciles is enough. This was not a metaphor. It was a judgment, one that legalized the forced sterilization of tens of thousands of American citizens. The weapon used to justify this atrocity, the tool chosen to classify who was fit and who was unfit to exist. It was an IQ test. This is not a story about psychology. This is a story about a pseudo-scientific weapon. It began in Paris with a psychologist named Alfred Binet. He just wanted to help struggling students. He created a simple test for intervention. Binet warned. He specifically warned his tool would be misused to label children permanently. He called it a brutal pessimism. He was disastrously right. When Binet's test crossed the Atlantic, it fell into the hands of Goddard believed society's problems, poverty, crime were caused by poor heredity. He labeled those with low scores morons. He claimed they were a menace. He even faked research, retouching photographs of a poor family to make them look sinister, threatening, genetically dumb. He published this fraud as scientific fact, and the public believed it. This fear led directly to a Virginia courtroom, to a young woman named Carrie Buck. Her crime: she was poor, and she had a child out of wedlock. The state wanted to sterilize her. The case went all the way to the Supreme Court. In an 8-1 decision, Justice Oliver Wendell Holmes wrote the ruling, 3 generations of imbeciles is enough. The ruling unleashed a wave of forced sterilizations, but its legacy is even darker. When Nazi Germany began building its own eugenic laws, they looked for inspiration. They looked right here, to America. The same tool, the same justification. It didn't stop in 1945. It just changed its name. It became the SAT. It became tracking in schools. And today, it's hiding again. Hiding inside the algorithms that decide your job application, your loan, your future. The eugenics machine was never destroyed. It was automated. Thanks, and see you in the next one.